So there's been a bit of a update, bit of a situation. Jason's just on the phone now because we've embarrassingly gone into the wrong pub, as Jason sort of predicted there was only one pub in town.
Okay.
This is good.
Okay.
So just one happen or one each?
Oh shit. No, do you bring your own bedding, do you? Okay, Jace, well this is matching cabins. So we'll do the... Wow, air conditioning, look at that. Brilliant. Your own toilet, your own shower and a television.
This is much better than a $50 shed.
There's even a toilet in here.
Okay.
I can't believe it, there's a toilet. And wait for it, there's a wet room.
A wet room?
A shower. Hey, this is nice. This is good. Where's the air conditioning remote?
What?
Oh, there. Well, here we are at O'Shanley's pub, famous around here, but we're just trying to sort of get our heads around this, how old this pub is and all the different bits and pieces that give it character and pioneer days. It's quite amazing. This is just the outside. This is just the outside bar. So, yeah, this is it. Accommodations up there if you really want to try it. I like these bar stools made of bits of wood. That's really cool.
This place is fantastic. One thing I did notice, look at these old rabbit traps. This one looks like it's set because it's spread open with this latch. I love this. For any complaints, press here, press there, take your finger off. That's like, really? Isn't it awesome? The places we go. Wow.
This is impressive. Yeah. So these jugs have been collected for years.
Yes.
Years and years.
Teapots.
Yeah.
It might be the second biggest teapot collection in Queensland.
The second biggest collection of teapots in Queensland. I'm looking for my teapot at home that we've still got. How old is this place?
I'm thinking 1890s.
Wow. Yep. And the population of Clifton, are there 200 people here? Are there 1,000 people here?
I would think in the town now there's probably 800 to 1,000.
And at the restaurant itself, does it get busy some days or for functions?
Absolutely.
And
We had 60 for lunch today.
There you go.
60. Wow. Yeah.
Thank you for showing us this room. This is great. So, how's your meal?
Beautiful, thank you.
You've got a very big sausage there.
Yeah, I know. Look at my sausage and mashed potatoes. It looks fantastic, doesn't it?
Fantastic.
Good morning. Welcome to day 4. I'm just about to make Jason a cup of tea. It looks like it's a clear day outside, and yeah, so we're off to Toowoomba. It's -1 degrees this morning. As you can see behind me, we've got the bikes have been covered up for the night. Let's see if Jason's awake. I made him a cup of tea. See what happens here. Clifton Hill. Morning. It's -1 degrees. Get yourself decent. Well, here we are leaving Clifton on a rather brisk morning. Jason?
Oh, very brisk. Extremely brisk. I mean, it was -1. Turn left here. It was absolutely frosty. Which you just don't believe in Queensland, do you?
I just closed down my hatch because it's a bit...
Oh my god, my legs are frozen stiff. Well, there you are, that was Clifton.
That was Clifton.
Did you hear the coal train go through this morning?
No, I didn't.
I don't want to go any faster, it's too cold. Right, so we're heading off to Toowoomba.
Toowoomba, a population of 134,000 people.
Yep. We'll have a look around some motorbike shops. And just relax a bit before we hit the highway.
For the race home.
Yep.
I think today, this morning, is the coldest that we've felt it.
Oh my god, yes, it's really cold.
Although this bike says 10 degrees, it does feel a lot cooler.
No, that's out. Because at the moment I checked the temperature when we left and it was 6.
Right. Something big bump on the road here.
Oh, that's nasty.
Oh,
Imagine hitting that on a motorcycle doing 100k an hour.
oh mate.
Jeez.
Oh,
Oh!